It's time for my June update for Project 10 pen that is rolling style. In June, I have only 2 new roll-ins, the rest of them were rollovers from the previous month. In June, I used this Charlotte Tilbury mini powder 14 times. I used this highlighter 11 times. This bronzer was used 9 times. This Marc Jacobs Beauty bronzer was used 10 times. I used this Clinique blush 11 times and this Tarte blush 10 times. This mascara from L'Oreal was used 15 times. This lipstick Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk was used 7 times. This one that is Dance Floor Princess was used 4 times. This one that is Pillow Talk Fair was used 10 times. And this one that is In Love with Olivia was used 5 times. So I reached a goal of 15 uses on all of my products except lipsticks. And the lipsticks, I have reached a goal of 10 uses. And now I will start my second round of using lipsticks and I will amp up my uses to 15 uses. And for many of these products, I have surpassed my goal of 15 uses, but I don't mind it. I just want to hit at least 15 uses before I can switch it out. And now let's choose new products for month of July. And my goal is to reach each of the products at least 15 times before I roll it out. So I'll be working on this Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in 10 Be My Highlight. Then I'll be working on this Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. And I'll be working on this Viv Diamond Dimension Face Palette in shade Dawn. I'll be working on bronzer and both blushes. Then I'll be working on this Essence Stay All Day 14 Hours Long Lasting Concealer in shade 10 Light Honey. This Alverde Eyebrow Pencil in shade Blonde. And I'll be picking 3 lipsticks so that I'll be working on 10 products. I will just random choose it one mini lipstick. This is Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. One lipstick from Lisa Eldridge. This one is in 189. And this one is Audrey. And then I will choose another one from Lisa Eldridge, and this is in shade Lisa. So I will swatch the lipsticks. This one is in Original Pillow Talk. Then we have Audrey. And Lisa. So these are my products for the month of July. I need to reach the goal of 15 uses before I roll it out. And some products, for example, the bronzers that I'm working on 2 at the same time, or blushes and lipsticks, they will be more than a month in a project, but I don't mind. See you again at the end of July with my update and probably some new picks. And until then, bye!